vegetarian is easy and delicious. Today, let's make a simple home-style dish stir-fried tofu with broccoli.
The tofu is crispy outside and tender inside, while the broccoli is fresh and crunchy. The chewy tofu and crisp tender broccoli create a delightful texture contrast. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, which help *** boost immunity and aid digestion. Ingredients: broccoli, dried tofu, carrot. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. After cutting into florets, rinse under running water. Then soak in lightly salted water for 5 minutes to remove residue and tiny pests. Broccoli contains antioxidants like sulforaphane, which may offer anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting benefits. Broccoli low in calories but nutrient-dense. It's an excellent source of vitamin K, folate, and potassium, supporting heart and bone health. The natural sweetness and bright orange hue of carrots add vibrant color and extra flavor to the dish. Slice or julienne the carrots and stir-fry them quickly with broccoli to retain their crisp texture and mild sweetness. The combo boosts nutrition beta-carotene and vitamin C and makes the dish visually appealing. Ginger's spicy warmth balances broccoli's slight bitterness, enhancing freshness and appetite appeal. Ginger ale boosts blood flow, while broccoli's fiber aids digestion, perfect for warming the body. Slice the firm tofu, then cut into strips and set aside. Plain tofu for stir-fried should be blanched or cooked for optimal texture and safety. Tofu is rich in high-quality plant protein and calcium, making it a nutritious meat alternative that supports muscle and bone health. Fragrant ginger adds a spicy sweet depth, enhancing the carrot's natural sweetness for a more complex aroma. Stir-frying ginger and carrots first removes raw edges and boosts beta-carotene absorption, nutritious and delicious. Stir-fry until fragrant with chili. I used Lao Ganma chili sauce for that iconic kick. Toss in broccoli and stir-fry. A splash of water creates steam to tenderize broccoli evenly while preserving its vibrant green color. No more uneven cooking. Steam stir-frying minimizes smoke. Beginner-friendly. Just drain excess water to keep it crisp tender. Add salt to taste. Toss dried tofu and stir-fry. Stir-fry tofu over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes to coat evenly. Gently push with spatula, no pressing. To prevent breaking, keeps cubes intact for that perfect bite. Taste test before plating. For extra flavor, let it sit off heat for 30 seconds to absorb sauce deeply. Your spicy tofu and broccoli stir-fry is done so easy, right? Grab a plate, serve it up, and dig in. High protein, low-calorie tofu offers quality plant-based protein, while broccoli adds nutrients without excess calories. Vitamin booster, broccoli's vitamin C, K plus tofu's B vitamins support immunity and metabolism. Fiber plus antioxidants, broccoli's fiber aids digestion. Sulforaphane and isoflavones fight oxidative stress. Mineral duo, tofu's calcium, magnesium plus broccoli's potassium protect bones and heart. Spicy kick, chili sauce's capsaicin boosts circulation. Opt for low-sodium versions. This is a balanced veggie-packed dish perfect for fitness and clean eating.
Are there any foods that shouldn't be eaten with broccoli?
High oxalate foods, for example, spinach, amaranth, may reduce calcium absorption. Blanch first and eat separately. Raw soy products, excess intake within fermented soy may impact iodine use. Safe when cooked. Animal liver, theoretical risk of vitamin overload, only relevant in extreme amounts. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.